What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to turn on two-factor authentication for your Twitter account. Now this is a great preventive measure for stopping hackers from getting into your account, as it's going to send a code to your number every time you log in. So unless they actually have your phone on you and they could log into your phone as well, they're not going to be able to log into your account. So in order to get this started, you're going to hit your profile picture in the upper left hand corner and then scroll down until you could get to the settings tab and then go to that. Then from here, you're going to hit account all the way at the top. And then from here, about 5 options down, you're going to see an option for security. You're going to go to that tab. And then once you get to that, you'll be taken here where you will have the option to do two-factor authentication. Now, there's a couple different ways to do this. Text message, authentication key, or security key. I just do the text message personally because it's the fastest way to do it and also the easiest way because you're probably going to be logging in from your phone anyway. And once you're taken to this screen here, all you're going to have to do is just enter your password to verify that it is actually you turning this on. And then it's also going to test out the two-factor authentication by sending a code to your phone number. And then you'll be able to just enter the code, and that will be how you will log in from here on out. You have the password, and then you have the code, and then you'll be able to log into your account. If you had any questions or that was confusing at all, be sure to drop them down below in the comments, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Da 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 da